Today, we are thrilled to announce a new SeedProd version loaded with new features that will take your website building experience to the next level. One of the most notable new features is the ability to copy and paste sections across SeedProd pages and websites. In addition, we've introduced a new team member block, making it simple to showcase your employees on your website. Let's take a look at the copy and paste feature. With this powerful new design option, anyone with a paid SeedProd license can easily duplicate sections of their WordPress pages. To use this feature, simply open the Layout navigation panel, click the three dots next to the section you want to copy, and click the Copy Section option. From there, you can navigate to another SeedProd page, repeat the same process, and click the Paste Section option. Your copied section will instantly appear on your new page exactly how it was on the original. But that's not all. This entire process also works across multiple SeedProd websites, so you can clone the same designs to other projects. This is also an efficient way to collaborate with team members. If you're facing a tight deadline, you can copy, paste, and tweak a section your team has already created and publish it in minutes. Another exciting addition to our library of pro WordPress blocks is the Team Members block. With this powerful tool, you can create a visually appealing section on your website dedicated to showcasing the individuals who make up your team. In the block settings, you can add custom images for each team member and control various image settings such as size, shape, and position. Moreover, you can include a team member's name, job title, adjust visibility settings for mobile and desktop devices, which allows you to create a responsive and dynamic team section that adapts to different screen sizes. The block also offers options to customize the separator position and add links to each member's social media profiles. The Advanced tab provides even more customization options, allowing you to fine-tune the design and layout of the team members block with custom typography, colors, background spacing, and more. You can use the Team Members block to create a dedicated About Us or Meet the Team page on your WordPress site, or include a team section on your homepage. And lastly, we added 4 new website template kits. They include everything you need to create a professional-looking website without the hassle of starting from a blank page. Our latest website kits include the following: advertising agency, ebook author, meditation classes, and relationship coach. You can view them in the template library on our themes page and inside the SeedProd plugin. That's everything for now. If you have a paid SeedProd plan, make sure to update your site to the latest version of the SeedProd plugin to try this exciting new update. And if you're new to SeedProd, now is the best time to get SeedProd Pro and take this update for a spin. Please visit seedprod.com or click the link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.